Let's get started. Let me show you how to install the battery. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is take apart, undo the screw at the top, and then you're going to put the 9-volt. There's the button that's going to control your volume and the chimes. So let's go ahead. You got a fresh new battery. You're going to put that on there. Okay, so once the battery is secured, you're going to see the light up in the middle. Okay. Now we're going to, before we put the cover back on, we have to set the volume and the chimes. Okay, so let's do that now. Press down the button for 3 seconds. Once it's all programmed to the chime that you want and the volume, then you can button it up and just place the screw back in. Okay, so now let's get ready and we're going to talk about the bracket. You're going to see those 2 holes are for the wall or the door frame. That's where you're going to screw the bracket onto. And then these little screws at the top and the bottom, okay, they have a sprocket washer so that's not going to be loose whenever it's going to be turned. Okay, now that the bracket is secure, you can move it around up to 90 degrees to get the right angle. Now we're going to get ready to mount it on location.